How to create an eye-catching Behance portfolio. Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and creating an eye-catching portfolio on Behance is very important to stand out compared to their other 24 million plus users. So the first thing you want to do is go onto Behance.net, then you are going to tap on Behance. From here, I want you to sign up. All you'll need to do is go to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on sign up. Then you can continue using your Google account. So all you have to do is tap on continue with Google. Then from there you can tap on your Google account. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page, and from here you can enter your date of birth, and you can enter your date of birth right here. So I'll do that real quick. Then you'll tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, you'll be redirected to this page. Just give it a few seconds. You can pick the type of topics that you're interested in and what you'd like to see on your Behance feed. So for example, you can tap on photography if you are into photographs, and also you can select any other topic. So I'll select photography and illustration. Then I'll tap on see my custom feed, and you can see they are preparing my feed right here. My recommended feed, as you can see right here. The next thing I want you to do, let's say you're a photographer, all you'll need to do is tap on the search bar. Then from there, you're going to type in photographer. So let's type in photographer real quick, or you can type in photography. After you have typed in photography, what I want you to do is tap right where you see people right here from the right hand corner. So you are going to tap on people. I want you to tap on people is because I want you to see some of the high ranking, or better yet, some of the more viral profiles on Behance. So you can see them right here. And also you can tap on sort. After tapping on sort, from here you could select most viewed or most appreciated if you want. And most appreciated in Behance is basically when someone likes your photo or your portfolio, better yet. So if I were to tap on most viewed, you can get a better understanding, as you can see right here. And once you have done this, you can select anyone that you would like to get some inspiration from. So let's say, for example, I'm going to be using this one. So I'll tap on it. Once on the person page, you can pay attention to the left hand section, and from here you can see how many project views they have gotten and also how many appreciation, and you can see the information that they have divulged. You can also see how they have written their about section. As you can tap on read more to see how they compiled their about section, and you can see that this person has been a member since December 2009. So all we'll need to do now is go to the top right hand corner, and right where you see your profile pic, you are going to simply tap right where you see Behance portfolio. You are going to tap right where you see Behance profile, and you are going to open a new page. Then I want you to tap right where you see edit your profile. After you have tapped on edit your profile, from here you'll be led to the basic information section, on which you'll see your first and last name. Then from here you could type in your occupation. So as I said earlier, I'll be labeling mine as a photographer. So I'll type in photographer right here. And then you could add a company if you work for a particular company, or if you're a freelancer. Then you could add your location, and you can also add the city right here. If you have a portfolio website, you could paste the link right here also. Then we are going to scroll down, and right here you can add any one of the social media platforms that you have. So let's say, for example, you have a Twitter account. You could simply tap on link right where you see Twitter. Then you will enter your Twitter username. Also, if you are on Facebook, if you are on Instagram, or if you have a YouTube channel or a Pinterest account, all you would have to do is tap on link and then enter your username, as you can see right here, to connect the social media platform. And you can see there are numerous platforms that you can connect with. Once you have done that, you're going to scroll down and right where you see the About Me section, I want you to take inspiration from this example. You can simply read what the information this person gave in their About Me section, and you can take inspiration from that and fill in this section right here. After you have done that, you can also add your work experience if you want. Adding work experience is not a must. As you can see, this person did not add any work experience, but adding work experience will definitely help your portfolio or your profile better yet to stand out. So you could definitely add work experience, and also you can add links right here. So again, you can add your website or any form of link you want. And if you would like to add a custom section, all you have to do is tap on add a custom section. Then you could add the section title and you could add the description right there. And you can also add numerous custom sections. Next, you're going to add your portfolio pic. To do that, right where you see basic info, you're going to tap on upload. Then after you have tapped on upload, you can select a photo from your device. So you can select a photo to add right there. And after you have done that, you can go back to your profile after you have saved the changes. Once back on your profile, you can also add a banner image right here. And to create a banner image or to create a portfolio picture is quite straightforward. All you'll need to do, you could go onto canva.com and from there you'll be able to create a banner image or a portfolio right here. To create a banner image or a portfolio picture is quite straightforward. All I would recommend you do is simply go into Canva. So let's say I were to go into canva.com. Once on Canva, what you're going to do next, in the top right hand corner, or let me see if by tapping on the search bar right here and type in Behance if they have any recommendation. So let me see right here. No, they don't have any recommendation. So you're going to tap right where you see custom size. Then you're going to use the size that is recommended right here, 3200 by 410. So all you'll need to do right here is put in 3200 by 410. Then you'll tap on create new design. Once you have tapped on create new design, you'll be redirected to this page and I'll be showing you how to create this real easy. All you'll need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option and you can select any one of these template examples or you could tap on upload to upload one by yourself. But let's say I want to use this one. All I'll have to do is tap on it and you can see how it looks right here, lighting and photography. This is a beautiful example. And also if you would like to change the color, you could change the color by simply tapping on it. So let's say I want to change the color, you could tap right here and you could change the background color. Or you could tap on edit photo and from there you'll be able to make even more changes. So you could tap on filter and you could change the filter as you can see right there. Or I could tap on see all and you can see different options. Once it is to your liking, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then tap on download and I'm going to download it real quick. After you have downloaded it, all you'll need to do now is go back into Behance. Then from there, you can simply drag and place it at the banner image section. So let's see how it looks. I've placed it on the banner image section and you can see it looks right there. It does look beautiful. Now all I have to do is tap on done. Then it will save it as you can see right there. Once it has been saved, you can now start adding your work to Behance. So you can tap on create a project right there. And after create a project, you will now be able to create your first project on Behance. And if you would like to share your work, you could tap on share work in the top right hand corner, as you can see right there. Once you have added the banner image, you can start adding work to your Behance. All you'll need to do is tap right where you see share work and from there you can share a project or you can share service as you can see right there. And also if we were to go back, tap on Behance in the top left hand corner If you would like to add a story or if you'd like to add an image, all you'll have to do is tap on the plus in the left hand corner right where you see add yours. And then from here you could add your image as you can see right there. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.